Hey guys, this is a tutorial for Sublime plugins. As you know, I did talk about the previous video regarding installing Sublime stuff like that. But I can, Sublime's real cool since it has just more than just typing code. You have stuff that you can do. You can do a lot of things in the Sublime. You have, like plugins for follow comments. You have themes. You have like some shortcut stuff when you're coding. Since this is really, it's really nice features to have in the Sublime when you want to code, so it makes things more easier than just writing the whole thing. Um, so I will suggest, just in this video is kind of like optional if you want to go for it or not. But I think it's really pretty quite cool to know this stuff. So all right, let's just pick up some example of what I really like to have. Let's just go to Chrome and just write google.com and then write Sublime plugin control package or something like that, and go to this website. Package control, it has a lot of cool stuff in here. You can see the trends, the trending list and the new list, popular list, and so on. All those stuff here is like very useful plugins or tools, if you want to call it, for your Sublime if you want to code something, which is kind of like depends what you want to do. But since this is for tutorial for Java, we will go for some couple of plugins I really like to have when I'm coding. So let's go for it. So one of the things first I like to do is the something called Java IME. It says turn your Sublime text into Java completion text editor. So clicking there makes real sense. So if you take a look at the screenshot, if you just write something and just a couple few words, it gets the Java or the Sublime will understand right away which kind of shortcut or something menu you want to choose when you want to code. But we don't really need everything. But the point is really nice features to have. Since we're going to code something, and when I'm typing something and you are typing something, we go much faster. So the question is now, how do you actually implement this plugin into our Sublime? How to use. So there's some explanation. Well, this explanation how to use the plugin. So installation, it says how to do it. Well, since you have already package control installed in our Sublime, let's just go to Sublime, click on command palette, and click on package control, and click install package. Oh, sorry, yeah. And the next part is the Java IME. So click on there, and you'll see a small window pop. Well, not a small window, but a small text showing that you're installing it. Downloading and I'm going to install it. See, installing package. That's one part. The second I like to have is something called fault comments. Full comments, yeah. There. This is really great. If you have tons of like huge comment like that, it's like crazy to look and everything's like okay. There's so many comments. I just want to follow it, So this is really, really, really great plugin to have. So what you can do is just do the same thing. Go command palette, click on the install package, and it's called fault comments. Click there, great. And the last, this is very subjective, there's the themes. You have tons of themes in here. I like something called, and there's a theme that we can, just try out something. We'll just write theme, and let's just go for Enki, Enki theme. Oh, looks pretty nice, kind of dark. Well, this looks kind of more what I like. But theme is like very subjective. Some people have some preferences with if they like it light or dark. But for me, I like to work when it's dark color. For somehow it makes me more. I get better focus. But you could just try out. So we could just go ahead and try to download this Enki theme and install in our Sublime. and go to, as usual, tools, command palette, control, package, install package. It takes a bit of time, and the Enki theme, right? Yeah, the Enki theme. Enter. It's downloading and installing. Right, you get the message right up here. So just close it. So I just made something called name.java just to demonstrate something. So usually we can start off with our first coding, So let's just write something public class name, curly bracket, public static void main string args back. So as you see, the color is kind of like red, blue, green, whatever, And since this is a theme, right? So we just click on Sublime text, click on preferences, click on theme, and we just use. You can see the Enki theme right now, right? You have the default Sublime theme, and I get adaptive Sublime theme, and go Enki. So let's just go for the this one or this one, or well, this is default, or you could try adaptive, So it depends what you like. But whoops, it looks Enki's real bad. I didn't really like the color, but hey, that's something I had to try out. But at least you know how it works. So just play around with the Sublime, the theme, and see what you like. So the last plugin I really enjoy to have is something called A-Style Formatter plugin. It's really handy when you actually want to organize the code. So when you actually start to code, everything looks real messy and doesn't look really good, So you need some way to structure everything, has more logical flow in it, and doing manually it could be really takes time and not so very efficient to do that. So let's go to the Google Chrome and write the A-Style Formatter. Yeah, get it right here. It's really, really good plugin. The plugins support the C, C++, and so on, and Java. So there's this installation, how to do it, and this is the usage, how to use it. Let's go to the tool, command palette, and let's write package install and A-Style. That's the one here. Right, it's installing. So let's demonstrate something that doesn't really make sense for you now, but it's just to illustrate. And it looks very differently compared to before. Okay, let's just demonstrate how it looks like. So what you in Mac, you hold Control, Alt, and F. It starts to kind of structure everything up here again. It doesn't like 100%. You need to correct it a bit, but this is very good though. I mean, when you are going to start to code, and when you're actually going to show it to your friends, or someone's going to help you, or you're going to help them how to organize things, this plugin will help you a lot. Trust me, it will help you a lot. And if you are really curious and how it works, the themes and plugins and all that stuff, just go to the package control website and play around. Just observe and see what you like. Just play around and have fun. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.